Okay, hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make a money system Roblox Studio Part 2. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to take a part, then whenever you touch the part, you get a tool and your money goes away because you're basically buying it. Yeah. Okay, so here's the comment that I got to do this. So yeah, thank you for giving this comment. Now let's make it. So you first need your scripts from part 1. So watch part 1 if you haven't yet, because you really need the script or it won't work. So you can see every 3 seconds, you can see the money goes up. And yeah, now let's make the part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in Workspace, add a part. Okay, you can see this is a part. I'm gonna rescale it. So okay, I'm just gonna rescale it so it looks nice. So I'm gonna make this one. No, actually, we're gonna make this 0.5 transparency. It looks nice. You can see. So it looks nice. Now let me just put this a bit here so you can, okay. Now go get the part. You're gonna add a click detector and also a script. So let me just delete this print hello world. Okay, let's start scripting. So first we want to write local tool equal game.ServerStorage dot whatever your tool is. I actually added a sword, the sword right here, and I put it inside my server storage, as you can see, and I put in the classic sword in there. So what you're gonna do is when you get your part, put it in server storage, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the item, go to the name, copy that, then what you're gonna do is put it on where I server storage put your name there so you don't make a mistake. But if it automatically shows the name, you can also do that, but just in case you write it down without using the auto correct, then yeah, so you want to make sure it is correct or it won't work. So let's make another local. So local giver equal script.Parent. So here we go. Now local give, so give equal false of local function. Okay, so we're gonna write this give tool, no space. Now we're gonna add columns, player. Okay, now if give equal false, then give equal true. So local clone equal tool clone. Sorry, this is wrong. Clone dot parent equal player dot backpack. So back. 1 second, let me write it down. Backpack. So you can see. So okay, now we're gonna do is write wait 0. What we're doing it is 0 because what happens is that there's a cooldown, but we don't want a cooldown. So you could say, okay, I want like 7 of the same thing, because maybe you're making like a shop where there's like 7. There's like one part, but like a block $1 per 1 block, so you want 7 blocks. So you'll just click it 7 times, but with no delay. Because it could be that you click it 7 times, but your money goes away, but you actually end up getting 3. So we don't want a cooldown. So give equal false. So you can see now we're done. We're not done. We need to add one more thing. So it's gonna be giver.ClickDetector.MouseClick connect function of player. Now now enter, and so GiveTool and player. Now we are done this script, so we're gonna play now. I actually fixed the script. I'm gonna also put it in the description, so if you check the script again, so you could check. So let me go to the base play, and now let's play our game. So now it should work. I also I remade a part and everything, so yeah. Now we wait for $10, and boom, we get a part. But you're probably like testing this, and you're like, oh wait, I'm not getting any money. It's not going away. Oh, because you need to go in the script that you made right here. You need to have this script. So it's Workspace, WaitForChild, part.ClickDetector.MouseClick equal connect function player.Curency.Value equal player.Curency.Value minus 10. So right here, minus 10, you can do how much money you want it. So maybe you want to sell it for like $100, okay? But for now, I'll make it 10 because it's easy to get 10 in like 5 seconds. So yeah, make sure so pretend you wrote your part name was like, let me rename my part name to giver. Okay, I'm gonna write it like that, and it can't be part, it has to be whatever it was. So I'm gonna write the giver. I kind of wrote it wrong, but it doesn't really matter right now. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna come and you're gonna get your $10, and now you're gonna click, and boom, you can see you get your part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until I get like $30, and yeah, let's see. Okay, so we got $30, so let's click this 3 times. You can see I got 4 of them without getting any delays. Look, so I'm gonna close this. So what if we did this for, wait 1 second, okay? Look what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna quickly wait. So it's $30, it's $10, okay? Now we're gonna wait. Okay, we got $30, okay? But look what's gonna happen, okay? My money goes down, but I actually end up getting 1 because we had got that delay, and I clicked it 3 times, but it was still waiting for it to actually do it. So if you want it so it's like that, then just do it 0. But if you want it cooldown, then it's okay. But people might end up losing money. So yeah, I'm done with this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, see you in the next video. Please subscribe, and okay, see ya.